everyone. Today we're making keto chicken patties 2 ways. So far, Jason has lost 30 pounds and I have lost 26 just by making simple changes. Keto is not a diet. We eat very well. Jason and I are part of a collaboration called I Was Challenged, where we swap recipes and try something new, with Kendra at Consume the Goodness and Jason at Just Jason Keto. Their links and the playlist will be in our description. We have some hot and spicy pork rinds and the original flavor. Who needs breadcrumbs? These are crunchier anyway, and I just put them right into the food processor. Pork rinds versus breadcrumbs. Simple changes. And now the hot and spicy. Kendra's recipe video will be in our description. You're going to want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You'll need salt and pepper and garlic powder, 2 eggs, a half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese that I added half to the original and half to the spicy. Of course, you'll need a cookie sheet with some parchment paper. I then cleaned and cut up some chicken breasts and seasoned them, dipped them into the egg, and then into the bag of pork rinds. In Kendra's video, she made what she called a chicken burger. I'm not sure if I said that right, but it was a burger and a chicken patty. And she fried up 2 eggs as the bun of the whole sandwich. That might be something we'll try next. Your chicken is done cooking when it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Jason and I decided to whip up some chaffles, and that's going to become our bun for our chicken patty. Oh yeah, crispy pepperoni on a chaffle? Yes, please. Well, that chicken looks amazing. I decided to whip up some homemade mayonnaise with a little bit of cayenne hot sauce, so we had a little bit of a spicy mayo for our sandwich. A little bit of pickled asparagus and a half of honey nut squash to go along with our chicken patty. Love the crispiness, don't you?
Very good, yeah. Like that.
With the chaffle and the pepperoni, did you get to the pepperoni yet?
Mm-hmm.
My apologies to Jason. I kept asking him questions when he just took a bite of food and had his mouth full. Sorry, Jason. Do you like the spicy one? Or is it too spicy? You like the spicy?
Mm-hmm.
And now we're going to make a keto chicken patty with ground chicken. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And yep, you guessed it. We're grinding up more pork rinds. We're flavoring up 1 pound of ground chicken with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I've added Parmesan cheese to the pork rinds. Dip them in the egg, dip them in the pork rinds, and put them on your cookie sheet. And yes, I did wash my hands before and after handling the chicken. And now it's time to make a bun. A chaffle as a bun is genius. You still get to feel the experience of like biting into that burger with that bread and all the goodies inside. But yet, it's a healthier option. It's egg. And who doesn't like cream cheese? And maybe jalapenos or scallions like we added today. And yeah, I overfilled the chaffle. That'll be a little quick bite before dinner's ready. Don't those look delicious? I usually use an ice cream scoop. It gives this perfect portion for each chaffle. And yes, crispy onion time too. Again, Jason's link will also be in our description where we found all of these recipes for chaffles. The chicken looks delicious. It's all crispy. Spicy mayo and arugula. If you haven't tried pork rinds versus breadcrumbs, it's worth a try. Great recipe, Kendra. So do you like the chicken breast better than the ground chicken?
Yeah, I think I'd rather have the chicken breast.
Texture-wise, I feel like you're eating a piece of meat, right? That's how it is for me too. But it's still good. It's crispy. You can tell it's chicken, all the goodness. Alrighty then. Thumbs up. What are you doing? And we always make extra chaffles, and I freeze them separately and then pop them in a Ziploc bag for later. So whether you decide to have chicken breast or you decide to make a ground chicken patty, either way, both of them are delicious, and we highly recommend a chaffle bun of your choice. As always, thank you for stopping by P&J's Homestead Adventure. We'll see you on the next one.